Today we'll have a discussion on essay writing, especially what is the basic structure of the essay. See, if you know how to write a paragraph, writing an essay becomes very easy. So we'll have a discussion today on essay writing. So dear students, what is the basic structure of essay? What is the basic structure of essay? An essay should have an introduction, body, and conclusion. In today's class, we'll have a discussion on how to write an introduction effectively and how to describe the body of the essay as well as conclusion of the essay. So what are the techniques we're supposed to follow to write an effective introduction, impressive body of the essay, and thought-provoking conclusion? So that is what we are going to discuss in today's class. Okay. So before we discuss about the structure of the essay, first I would like to discuss about what is the difference between thesis statement and topic sentence. So what is the thesis statement, my dear students? Thesis statement is a central idea of the essay, which is generally highlighted in the introductory paragraph of the essay. I'm asking once again, where is the thesis statement? The thesis statement is generally be existed in introductory paragraph of the essay. And how many thesis statements we may have in an essay? How many thesis statements we may have in an essay? We have only one thesis statement for the overall essay. I could say that in a very simplified manner, thesis statement is nothing but the opinion of the writer on the topic in an essay. Thesis statement is nothing but the opinion of the writer on the topic. That becomes the thesis statement. By reading the thesis statement of the essay, the reader will understand what is the central idea of the essay, what is the opinion of the writer on the topic. That's what a thesis statement. Whereas topic sentence is nothing but it is the central idea of the paragraph. Generally, a topic sentence will be there in support of the thesis statement, because as you know that all the paragraphs in the essay we are going to write according to the opinion of the writer. So that is the reason every topic sentence is going to support the thesis statement. Each paragraph has one topic sentence. See, if we have one thesis statement in an essay, whereas how many topic sentences we will have in an essay, it is purely based on number of paragraphs. If an essay consists of 4 paragraphs, we will have 4 topic sentences. If an essay consists of 5 paragraphs, we will have 5 topic sentences. Okay. So this is in brief about the difference between topic sentence and thesis statement. Let us see how to write a thesis statement and topic sentence for your better understanding. See, I have given a topic here, impact of movies on youth. There is a topic called impact of movies on youth. Observe carefully, it is a debatable topic. So generally for a debatable topic, a writer may have 2 to 3 opinions. So what are the 2 to 3 opinions a writer may have? A writer may feel that there is a positive impact of movies on youth, but other writer may feel that there is a negative impact of movies on youth. But some other writer may feel that it has both positives and negatives. It is purely based on the perception and the opinion of the writer. So according to the opinion of the writer, we are going to write an essay. Maybe this is the topic for your essay in the examination. First, you have to decide your opinion. What is your opinion on the topic? Okay. Do you feel that there is a positive impact of movies? Or do you feel that there is a negative impact of movies? Or do you feel that it has both positives as well as negatives? According to your opinion, you have to write the thesis statement in the introductory paragraph. So how to write the thesis statement? Let us see once. For example, if you have a negative opinion, how to write the thesis statement? So you have to express your opinion in the introductory paragraph. In my opinion, movies have more negative impact on the youth. So according to the opinion of the writer, he is going to write the remaining paragraphs in support of his opinion. Okay, why movies have a negative impact on youth? So every paragraph he is going to write in support of the thesis statement. Okay, as you know that every paragraph should have a topic sentence also. So that is the reason I told that the topic sentence is going to support the thesis statement. Okay, in an essay. For example, here the writer has a negative impact. Maybe I have a positive impact on movies. Then what may be the thesis statement here? What may be the thesis statement here? In my view, movies have more positive influence on the youth. Then I am going to write the essay in a positive direction about the movies. So according to the thesis statement, the content of the essay will be there. How to write the topic sentences? ఏదైనా ఒక స్టాండ్ తీసుకొని టాపిక్ సెంటెన్సెస్ రాద్దాం. విల్ టేక్ వన్ స్టాండ్. ఏ స్టాండ్ తీసుకున్నాను ఇక్కడ నేను? సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ నెగటివ్ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూత్. So as you know that an essay consists of number of paragraphs, each paragraph should focus on one single thought. So paragraph 1 na topic sentence enti, na central idea enti, let us explain. First paragraph I am going to talk about, it is misguiding the people to the wrong ways. So in the first paragraph I am going to highlight, it is my topic sentence in the first paragraph. The movies are misguiding the people in the wrong way. So in the supporting details, what I am going to explain, in what way the movies are misguiding the youth. I have to highlight that. So I have to give number of examples how the movies are misguiding the youth in the first paragraph. So this is the central idea of paragraph 1. Then what about the central idea of paragraph 2? It influences the people to addict to the bad habits, because as you know that in most of the films actually maybe the heroes or heroines in the recent time, they got addicted to the bad habits. So I'm going to highlight that even the youth also getting addicted to that by the influence of heroines habits in the movies. So I'm going to give number of examples of movies in support of that central idea of paragraph 2. And paragraph 3 I'm going to highlight, it is really spoiling their education and career. Some of the people, they are leaving the education with the passion of movies, and they are leaving the education and going towards that. So their studies are getting disturbed because of the influence of the movies. So how their studies are getting influenced because of the influence of movies, I will explain in paragraph 3. Observe carefully. Every topic sentence or every paragraph I am describing in support of the thesis statement. What is my thesis statement in this essay? In my opinion, movies have a negative impact on youth. So this is the way, my dear students, we have to design an essay. Did you all understand how to write a topic sentence and thesis statement? So all the topic sentences or the paragraphs we are supposed to write according to the opinion of the writer. That is nothing but the thesis statement.